Can me and you talk about the southern star trails that everybody's under the impression proves we're on an oblate spheroid? The heliosexuals try to make this so confusing. They say, well, if the Earth is flat, how come the stars north of the equator spin clockwise, and how come the stars south of the equator spin counterclockwise? When, if you actually do a little bit of research, you'd realize every single star in the sky moves east to west. It's just dependent on perspective which way they turn. So when you're facing south, it'll look like they're going counterclockwise, and then you face north and it looks like they're going clockwise, just due to perspective. Let me explain. Really weird how easy it was to find this graphic that perfectly explains star trails at the equator, and how it's just due to perspective. Depending on the direction you're aiming your camera or your person, you'll get all these different star trail patterns. Look, just due to perspective, you can make them go clockwise and counterclockwise. They admit it. Weird. I found this video on YouTube showing all of the stars at the equator going the exact same direction. And I'm currently reading your mind, and I know what you're thinking. Well, what about the pictures in the time lapses where it seems like there's another southern pole star? Wouldn't that suggest that we're on a ball, right? No, this is how perspective works. So say this is at the equator, you go more south and you're gonna get a star trail that at the bottom of the firmament going around, looking like there's another southern pole star, but there's not. Again, this is just due to perspective. So when you're seeing these star trails do this, you're just seeing the bottom of the firmament. Weird. Found this article pretty quickly explaining that all of the stars move east to west, and it's just due to perspective again that you would see them go another direction. The sun, moon, and stars all appear to rise east and set in the west. Interesting. And then it goes on to say that's because of the axial rotation of the Earth, but we just think the stars are moving. We don't think we're spinning. So we think that all the stars are moving relative over a stationary plane. We don't think that we're spinning 1,000 miles per hour when we can't terrestrially detect that. Weird. It goes on. And later in this article, to further explain this, facing north, stars rotate counterclockwise. Facing south, stars rotate clockwise. It's all out there. It's not that difficult. During debates, I hear this a lot, and when people are questioning the shape of the Earth, so make sure you save this video, check my link tree in my bio for more info, and share this with your favorite heliosexual that you're trying to wake up to the truth.